In this lecture, we'll see what is Bootstrap and how to use Bootstrap in our Django templates. Hi, welcome back. And now we'll see Bootstrap as we have discussed before, as we have not discussed before, but let's Google it out. Bootstrap, and it's Bootstrap. So let's check it out. I'm using the version Bootstrap 3.3.7, and you can use any version you want in the Bootstrap. So I'm not downloading it as of now, as I want to show you some interesting stuff of the Bootstrap. So what is Bootstrap? It is you can see, Bootstrap is the most popular HTML, CSS, and JS framework for developing responsive. What is responsive? If you don't know about responsive, then if I move the screen smaller, then the text will be the smaller as well. So let's look at the text. If I make the screen bigger, the text will automatically stretched, or means you can see the effect of the Bootstrap. This is basically called a Bootstrap or responsive. So whenever you make your website, you should be taken care of the responsiveness. You should be taken care of the responsiveness of the website. So Bootstrap is basically used to make the responsive website. So let's get started from the Bootstrap, as this is not a Bootstrap course, so will not go in depth of the Bootstrap, but we'll see little bit about Bootstrap. So to use Bootstrap, we need to copy this code, not hold the code, but I'm copying this code, and yes, for that we need to create a HTML file. I'm creating it, save it as base.html, and enter. And okay, just like, first of all, if you want to load any Bootstrap or anything, we need to load static files. So percentage load static files. Okay, so this is a syntax of it, and HTML, and okay, fine, it is provided automatically, and for the text, okay, fine. So head and title, if you want to give, you can, and okay, this is fine. And okay, so we need to declare the Bootstrap over here. I want to make you very clear about something. Just, you don't need to remember any means everything at a time. As you know, we need to focus in the logic or development stuff, and if you don't remember sometimes a syntax or anything, then you can Google it out, as Google provides everything. So don't be hesitate or don't be panic when you don't remember things. It's fine. You need to focus on the logic, on how to do the things. If you are not remembering the syntax sometimes, that doesn't mean that you'll always forget the syntaxes, because you need to remember some basic syntax. So you need to focus on the development or logic stuff. So if you don't know about Bootstrap, it's fine. Just Google it out and watch any video on anything you want. I mean, anywhere you want. So just okay, fine. So let's see the Bootstrap, and this is the Bootstrap. This is how we can declare the Bootstrap, as I've prepared something. But yes, okay, I'm copying this as of now to show you what is the Bootstrap, and just don't be panic by seeing this, what is this, and advancing the blog. Okay, fine. So we need to just see the Bootstrap. So in the section, in the link, so we need to define here at the title, means below title, and in the head part. So we'll see how to use Bootstrap. And okay, below the title part, we'll copy this part, copy and paste. Okay, so this is just URL of the Bootstrap. So if you want to use this part, this Bootstrap, then we need to go to the path of the URL, and if you are using that, then your internet connection must be always connected. So this make sure that. And if you want to install Bootstrap, you can install by this the command install with Bower. So I'm not going to the detail what is this, but you can go through the whole stuff, as this is a website of this Bootstrap, so you can see all the stuff what you want. And okay, fine. So I want one more, and I'm copying this. Okay, so this is for CSS and this is for JS. So yes, what is JS? It's a JavaScript, and you can see also the stuff. You can declare it over here, the optional menu. Okay, so this both I want. And okay, fine. So let's see how to use this, and how to make it simpler and attractive. Means UI. This is user interface. And fine. Okay, so let's define our first div. What is div? It is a division which is used to see. This is a div. This is called a div. The border you can see, this is called a div. This is one div in which we have put the text. We have put the text which will see. So this is a particular div. This is a one div. So you can define as many as divs you want. This is one div and this is one div. In this div, Bootstrap has defined many components. So you can put it as well. How much you want, you decide and put it. So we'll see little bit about it. And yes, okay, first I want to use nav, and class is equal to, I want to use class. Okay, fine. For the navbar, you can see the navbar of Bootstrap, navbar Bootstrap. You can see the reference from here. So you can see always the reference of the means of here. So if you want to the copy and paste it, so you can. Okay, fine. We'll not copy whole the things, but I want to see the. Okay, fine. Just example. You can go through the website and fine. So what is this? Let me explain in brief. Navbar is the default functionality which is provided by the Bootstrap. Navbar means the header of the means we can say that okay, so this will be our navbar. Let me see, let me make you clear about it. And let me see the just okay, our name library. So just to use this in your view, suppose in the book detail view, we need to include it. So how to include it? Just percentage include and find the name of the file, base.html. So okay, so we can use it by, this is our navbar. This is called a navbar. Why this is looked like here? Because let me show you something. Okay, we haven't closed the navbar yet. That's the reason. Fine, we have closed this div, this navbar. Okay, great. So just refresh it again. Okay, so you can see this is the navbar. Okay, whenever we click over here, it will go to the hash because we haven't specified any URL. So what is this brand? Brand means this home view. If you want to change this, you can change it. Let's see what happened. And there is a okay, so this is just the introduction of the navbar. and we'll see how to get the specified URL. If I click on the e-library, it will go to the home page of my home page, and if I click on other stuff, then it will go to the some other path. So we'll see in a little bit about Bootstrap, because it is necessary to have a attractive view in your web application or in your app. So we'll see it, but if you have any doubt, let us know. Otherwise, keep going. So in this lecture, we have seen what is Bootstrap and how to use Bootstrap in our Django templates. In the next lecture, we'll see crispy forms and how to use it or implement it in our template.